get indicted. The FEDs kick you down about your half a key. Contemplating in the pen about conspiracy. Grown men dropping tears, but they still ain't free. And this is how these niggas fail in the Sanford Sea. Had dreams of being legit, though man can't put away his crown. Got hit for a lick, now you lie face down. Hog tied, realize that you still push crack, and all the dirt that you did gon' still come back. So throw your dope in the ditches and get rid of your bitches. Come roll with base patrol at them to make it more riches. Robert Lewis on the mic, and I don't push coke. Backed up, I pull folks straight out the city, no hope.
Now ain't this a pity? They wanna treat little Sarah like this New York City. One time FDA is on my back. They guessing me about the next man serving crack. The man in black with the AK to my dome, running in my home, wanna take my throne. And my life seems like it's already wasted because my mama's on the fifth floor basement. I'm messing rubber loop before I commit suicide. I wonder why my nigga Ray had to die. Now I'm going crazy. One time peak, the troll really can't phase me. My mother made me.
Pushing tapes like serving a key down in Texas. 95, we making G's, now we rolling in Lexus. See the feds tap my phone and I don't wanna go home. A blackmail making paper won't live too long. Animosity in your eyes and I see it in your eyes. Wanna hit us for a lick, but it's really no surprise. Sample, this is the city's chill, better known as Hustlersville. To take your paper, lay you down, some are even kill. See paper pay the bills, and when you in my field, you gotta watch out for the snakes coming from the hill. Young ass nigga put you to the test, like hollow point bullets burst through your chest. Bounce up out the county and I feel real fresh. Sending shots to Midway, that's the Wild Wild West. Lockhart 13, Southwest Georgetown. Go get a sack of cents from the boys in the pound. See we hustle when we struggle, can't sleep on the job. Us black males all pressed for the road like the mob. Robert Lewis on the mic, and I don't push coke. Backed up, I pull folks straight out the city, no hope.